Welcome to my channel STEPAhead with a new video. How to make natural soap with essential oils. Back in the day, homemakers made their own soap right in their own homes. They used leftover plant residues and animal fat to make these hygienic products. However, with the scarcity of animal fats during wartime periods and the development of synthetic soaps, this age-old practice got left in the dust. In recent years, there has been a revival of the home-based soap-making process. This is partly because some people with hyper-sensitive skin find these domestic concoctions more soothing, as they contain less additives and chemicals. If you want organic and less chemical-laden options, consider learning how to make natural soap with essential oils. To do so, just follow the steps here. 1. Decide whether to use one or more essential oils. You can opt to make soaps of various types or a batch that has a blend of various essential oils. 2. If you want to use a mix of essential oils, you can try these combinations: bergamot, orange lime and lemon, geranium neroli, jasmine ylang ylang and black pepper, amber bergamot civet and rose cedar, sandalwood and patchouli cinnamon, vanilla and tonka bean, lavender oak moss, and core main. 3. After you decide on your essential oil combination, buy the necessary ones and store the blend in a dark glass bottle. You can vary the proportions of each oil or follow these suggested recipes: 100 drops of lavender, 40 drops of frankincense, 20 drops of elemi and 20 drops of myrrh, 100 drops of rose geranium, 100 drops of palmarosa, 30 drops of patchouli, 12 drops of the langa langa, 10 drops of neroli and 10 drops of black pepper. 4. You must put the essential oil blend in a dark and dry place at stable temperatures. Leave it there for a week to let the oils naturally. Avoid stirring or opening the bottle during this period. 5. When the blend is almost ready, secure all the other materials and ingredients you need, such as melt and pour soap base, rubber gloves, plastic goggles, surgical masks, wooden spoon or stirrer spatula, measuring cup, spoons and cups, microwavable cup, dropper soap and molds. Flowers, colorants and herbs are optional. 6. When your oils are ready, cut up the soap base into small chunks and put them in your microwavable cup or bowl. Microwave for 30 seconds. Repeat as necessary until the base melts into a smooth liquid. 7. Add in the essential oil blend to the liquefied soap base, carefully stirring as you do so. 8. Spray a bit of oil on the insides of the mold so that the soap removes easily. You can pour in a little of the essential oil soap base mix into the mold. Add a couple of flowers or herbs and let this layer sit for 10 minutes before adding the rest of the mixture. 9. Let the soap harden for at least 1 hour before you try to remove it. If it's difficult to remove, put the molds in the refrigerator for a while and try again once cooled. Wrap your soap bars after cutting them up. You can use either paper or plastic wrap. Don't be afraid to add some creativity to your efforts and learning how to make natural soap with essential oils. You can use candy molds, muffin pans, or other molds for fun and unusual soap shapes. You can make some solely to give as gifts on birthdays or during the holidays. Make sure to like this video and also share with your friends, and most important is to don't forget to subscribe our channel and also help us to grow our channel.